If you're looking to get a pair of heavy duty work gloves, mechanic style gloves that are going to be great for keeping your hands warm when working outside in those cold winter months, check out these ones that I have here from VGO. I'm going to show you just how these really look, how they feel, and all the benefits of these. First thing to note is that these are heavy duty gloves. These are all made of actual leather, both on the back and the palm. The palm does have this extra padding here. You can see the extra padding right there where it counts. You know, if you're outside working with your hands, you know where you need that extra padding. The fingers here, the pinky and the second finger here, have some leather padding on the top. These three right here actually have it to where you can utilize your phone still, your touch screen of any sort. So that's a very nice feature. That's on both left and right hand. Another very cool thing about these, they're waterproof. That's a great benefit. I like the adjustable strap here. It's got the Velcro strap, so you can adjust it to be as tight as you like. They're a little bit on the thicker side. I do feel right out, they're a little bit stiff right now, but I got a feeling, especially being all leather, I can already feel them just trying them out a little bit, that they're starting to break in a little bit, and it's going to get softer and softer. The other thing that you're going to notice is it has this rubber backing on it right here. And you can see here, see how it flexes at the joints. So when you bend, you have it flexing there, right across the knuckle as well. And all along the back, they have those little grooves cut in it so that you can bend really easy. If you're in here working and you're doing something and you bang your hand or hit it, you have that extra protection, that extra thickness. Look at that. Doesn't matter if you're working on your vehicle, on outdoor utilities, any type of mechanical work, machinery. These ones from VGO work very well.